Here I want to introduce how to assemble the ball chair with cover. First, please check all the components are ready. Here, 45 gym ball, a stand, and 2 pieces of the safety puller, 2 handlebar, 1 handy pump, and 2 connector for the puller, and 4 pieces the fixed stand. This is non-slippery, and the ball, the cover for the ball. Okay, so everything is ready. Then we can start to assemble the ball chair. First, then we assemble the ball chair with 4 fixed stand. This is just simply to tighten the screw. Then the 4 fixed stand is ready. Then we can assemble the ball. Pump some air to the ball. Then we put the ball into the cover. Then we put some air again. Okay, then the hole. In the ball cover to increase the air if you want. Okay, then okay, right now we are going to assemble the resistance puller. Then we have 2 tubes, 2 connectors, 2 handle foam. Okay, the connector just around the fixed stand. Okay. Ready? Ready. The second one. Okay, then this is ready. Okay, then right now the puller is assembled. It's ready to use.